Today let's learn calculate function in Power BI. Imagine you are a security guard. You have a register with all visitors. Now someone asks you how many visitors were allowed. Your brain does this automatically. Look at all rows, ignore denied, count only allowed. You just change the condition before counting. This is exactly what calculate does. Let's see it with example. Click get data and choose Excel file. There is a problem with date data type. So click in transform data, change order date data type into date and follow same for shipment date and dim date. Click close and apply. Click in table view, select date column and change its format into sort and do same with order date and shipment date. Now click into model view and make a connection with fact table. Drag and drop date into order date. Cardinality make it one to many. Cross filter direction choose single and save. Now again drag and drop date into ship date. Choose one to many and single and save. You see dot line which means this connection is inactive. Click report view and creates new measures. Total sale equal to sum from which table, from fact sales table. What we gonna sum? Sales amount. Hit enter. It shows only total sales. Now let's create a new measure again where we will use calculate function. Sales for January equal to calculate sum from fact table, sum sales amount, and from dim date table we need month. Which one? We need January. What Power BI does in plain English? Go to data, keep only January rows, then sum cells. Now select table. From dim date table, click month name. From fact sales table, select total sales. Now click sales for January. Oops, there is some mistake with our DAX. Here we only write month, so let's write month name and hit enter. Error gone. But you see January is not at first place. Let's fix this. Click table view, select dim date table and select month name column and click sort by column and click month. Now let's go back to our table view. See it's in correct order and you see the sales for January. Creates new measure again and write sales by order date equal to sum fact sales amount and creates again another measures and write sales by ship date equal to calculate sum fact sales amount user user relationship fact sales ship date dim date. What does this DAX do? It makes our inactive connection into active for temporary. Creates a table view. Add dim date month sales by order date. Create another table and add from dim date table month sales by ship date. Now add slicer and add date from dim date table. Now click, you will see on the particular date its sales order date and shipment date record. That's how calculate works in Power BI. Simple logic, powerful results. If you want more videos, please like and subscribe to my channel.